Welcome to our analysis of the Saylor Academy Skills Certification. Saylor Academy is a nonprofit organization dedicated to offering free education to anyone, anywhere. They provide a variety of courses and skill certifications to help individuals advance their careers or explore new fields. The skills certification, in particular, is meant to validate your knowledge in a specific domain, making it a valuable addition to your resume. Saylor Academy's Skills Certification offers a range of features. It covers a wide spectrum of subjects, from business administration to computer science. The courses are self-paced, enabling you to learn at your own rhythm. They also offer free textbooks and learning materials. On completion of a course, you're awarded a certificate that you can share on your LinkedIn profile or with potential employers. One of the best parts about Saylor Academy is that it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You can access all the course materials, take the exams, and even receive your certification, all without spending a dime. This makes Saylor Academy an incredibly accessible platform for those looking to further their education without breaking the bank. Saylor Academy Skills Certification is ideal for those looking to gain knowledge in a new field or enhance their existing skills. It's perfect for job seekers wanting to make their resume stand out, professionals looking to upskill for career advancement, and lifelong learners who are simply curious. With its self-paced learning model, it's also great for those with busy schedules. There are several advantages to Saylor Academy Skills Certification. The flexibility of self-paced learning allows you to fit education into your lifestyle. The wide variety of subjects available caters to diverse interests and career goals. Plus, the free cost removes financial barriers, making quality education accessible to everyone. Lastly, earning a certification can boost your professional credibility. Despite its many perks, Saylor Academy has some limitations. The self-paced model, while flexible, requires a high degree of self-motivation and discipline. There's also limited interaction with instructors and peers, which may not suit everyone's learning style. Lastly, while the certifications are valuable, they may not hold the same weight as degrees from more prestigious institutions. In conclusion, Saylor Academy Skills Certification is a fantastic resource for free, flexible learning in a wide array of subjects. While it may require self-motivation and its certifications may not carry the prestige of traditional degrees, it offers valuable knowledge and credentials. For many, the benefits will outweigh the drawbacks. Saylor Academy offers free, self-paced learning in diverse subjects. It's an excellent tool for upskilling, exploring new fields, or boosting your resume. However, it requires self-discipline and its certifications may not be as recognized as traditional degrees. Overall, it's a valuable resource for those seeking accessible, flexible education. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Saylor Academy Skills Certification. We hope this analysis has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for your learning needs and career goals. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate your educational journey. Thank you for watching.